Our group proposed topic is improvement on chair design in UTASHAM tutorial class at Campus Panda. So our proposed case company is UTASHAM tutorial classes. For the problem statement, we have three. First, the chair is not comfort for student. Second, the chair space is not large enough to put their tools like water bottles and bag. And the last one is the chair is in a bad condition because already used for a few years. For the objective is to apply ergonomic concept in UTASHAM tutorial classes, and the second one to make sure all the students are comfortable when studying. Scope for this topic is we apply the ergonomic concept on the chair. We apply it on the chair in every classes. Our target to improve and to make it more comfortable for students, and we focus on left-handed students.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is Nurul Nabila binti Muhammad Yunus, and today I will explain to you about previous related research. So for the previous related research, we have two research, which is for the first one, if the designing chairs with mounted desktop for university students in terms of ergonomic and comfort. Okay, for this research, it is focused to the Sri Lanka's university students, okay, which in the universities they use the chairs with side-mounted desktop that is used in lecture hall. So several studies have investigated about the postural problems that relates with the school furniture. So for this research, they use the anthropometric measurement, which is the most important factor in deriving chairs dimension and designing comfortable furniture. So for the anthropometric measurements, okay, were taken from healthy, normal and undergraduate students of two universities in Sri Lanka. The sample consists of 385 subjects, and which is 221 males and 164 females. Their age range from 20 to 28, and their mean age is 22.4, and their standard deviation of 1.6. So for these results, okay, there are four different types that were taken, which is for the first one is the elbow and shoulder height and the desk height mismatch. The second one is the seat height, which is seated elbow height for the male sample, and the seated elbow height for the female sample, and also the seated of eye height for cases of for the female sample. For the next previous related research, we have the journal title is the anthropometric measurements for ergonomic designs of students in India. So in this research, they defined what is the anthropometry, which is it can be defined as the study which deal with body dimension that includes body size, shape, strength, and working capacity. So for the anthropometric helps students to achieve comfortability level to reduce the back pain disorder, okay, which is musculoskeletal disorders, MSD. So the basic philosophy of ergonomic is to make any design of furniture which lead to comfortability, physical health, and safety. So in this methodology, the anthropometric measurements were taken and obtained from engineering groups in India. So they conduct a health survey for students who have been at college for a longer time, and the body dimension were taken by using traditional anthropometric tools.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahira Abdulsai, and I would like to present to you the research methodology of our project. So the two advantages is reducing the amount of space and that tables take up and the cost of buying table. Okay. Design keep improving to keep students in comfort, decrease incident of musculoskeletal system, and to ensure equal educational opportunities. Okay, so anthropometric parameters are becoming important factor in designing comfortable furniture. Ergonomic design gives multiple function, multi-angle, backrest adjustment, half bottle and bag holder, and foldable writing board.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Shahada binti Roslan, metric number AD190198. I'm from Group 6, and today I will explain about methodology. In Chapter 3, we will explain the important part to implement the method and theories of this project. Our group has conducted questionnaires in Google Form to collect the data. Our questionnaires were filled out by 60 respondents, and data analysis has been done after collecting the data. Report writing from introduction until conclusion is in progress. The investigation and analysis of the application of theories and methodologies will be a crucial component of this project. The flowchart for the process of work will be used as a guide for this project and will be based on the pertinent information about applying the method and theories. Figure 3.1 shows the flowchart of the project. Before we begin our project, we need to identify the problem of the chair. Then, we need to analyze the problem from the design, function, comfortable, and adjustment. After that, we conduct the questionnaires to collect the data from the respondent. We analyze the data based on the questionnaires that were responded by the respondent. Lastly, we make a conclusion about the improvement of the chair. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ridwan, and today I would like to talk about discussion, suggestion, and also conclusion for our group member. We are distribute survey among 60 students of UTHM, and from the 60 students, there are 34 of them are male and 26 of them are female. And also there are 42% of them are right-handed and 18 are left-handed user. And in the survey, we asked about the position of the seat back are comfortable for them or no. And 80% of respondents voted no because the seat back cannot be adjusted. We also asked, do you have a place to put a water bottle on the chair comfortably? And 95% of them voted no since they need to put their bottle on the floor. We also asked, is there any space for them to put their bag on the chair? 88.3% voted no because there is no place for them to put their bag on the chair. We also asked, is the table remain on the right side comfort for you who are left-handed? This question is specific for left-handed user. And 95%, which is 17 out of 18% saying no, since the current chair provided a right-handed side.
For data analysis, the first one, placing an adjustable back seat so that the students can adjust according to their comfort of their body posture. So, out of 60 students that vote for this part, 44 students, which is 73.3% of the students, are agree to place an adjustable back seat. Next, the second one is allow the table to be manually moved to the right or left side. This is generally for the left-handed student. So 47 out of 60 students are agree, which is 78.3% are agree to allow the table to be manually moved to the right and left side. Okay, the next part is make a cup holder on the table. So 45 students out of 60 students are agree to make a cup holder on the table. Okay, the last one is place the bag holder on the side of the chair so as not to disturb the space. So the percentage is quite higher than previous one, because it is 85%, which is 51 out of 60 students are agreed to place the bag holder on the side of their chair so as not to disturb the space of their study. Thank you.
Conclude our suggestion. Firstly, we build table that are enough to put books and iPad table. Second, the table are also adjustable, which the left-handed can be used with comfortable. And lastly, put a hooker so the student bag or water bottle can hang in there. In conclusion, our group are managed to improve comfortability in UTHM tutorial classes, and we also wishes to express appreciation to UTHM for assisting this effort in acquiring information regarding their data at campus Bandar UTHM. Thank you. That's all.